McCarthy cut talks average. U.S. debt ceiling negotiators do not plan to meet on Saturday after the White House accuses Republicans for being reluctant to negotiate, according to people familiar with the matter. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy was seen walking on the National Mall in Washington as the talks went. General, he said. U.S. President Joe Biden said earlier Saturday that he remained confident the U.S. government could avoid a catastrophic default. The House Speaker McCarthy's designee of Republicans and senior White House officials last met Friday after the Republican step-down dampened optimism about an imminent deal and dragged the U.S. stocks down. McCarthy said attendees paused because the White House wouldn't admit they were spending too much. The White House tried to turn things around on Saturday, with Deputy Press Secretary Andrew Bates saying that the House Republicans are now holding the U.S. economy hostage, threatening unilaterally trigger an unprecedented default. Bates said in a statement that they should return to the negotiating table in good faith. Republicans and the White House have argued over spending cuts, with Republican lawmakers demanding spending cuts as a price to raise the federal borrowing cap. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said that by June 1st, the United States could lose the ability to meet all payment obligations. Buffett increased his position in Occidental for 6 consecutive days, holding up to 24.4%. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway bought another 3.46 million shares of Occidental Petroleum in the opening market between May 16th and May 18th, valued at about $201 million, increased its holding to 24.4%, according to a regulatory filing filed on Thursday. Compared with disclosure in previous days, this means Berkshire has been buying Occidental shares every day for the past 6 trading days, spending a total of about $327 million and buying 562 million shares. The company now holds approximately 217.3 million shares of Occidental Petroleum, valued at approximately $12.7 billion. Since Berkshire has begun accumulating shares in Occidental in early 2022. There has been speculation that Buffett may want to buy the entire company, but he said that Berkshire recent shareholder meeting that he is not seeking a full-blown acquisition of the company. Buffett did say that the shareholder meeting that Berkshire is likely to buy more Occidental shares, which the company typically tends to buy for less than $60 per share. Berkshire also holds more than $9 billion worth of Occidental preferred stock, with an 8% dividend yield and nearly 84 million warrants, which can be exercised at just under $60 per share. That's all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next episode.